Hello, everybody. Today I want to show you a new tool in Google Slides called Voice. What it will do is it will type the words that you say without you actually doing the typing. Google will type it for you. I want to show you how it works so that you can use this tool when you need to type a sentence for your teacher to read. Here we go. I'm going to click on Tools right here at the top. Get File, go over to Tools. Once you're at Tools, you're going to see a microphone image and the word Voice. That is the tool that we're using. Once I click on that tool, a black microphone appears on my screen. If this is the first time you are using your microphone in Google Slides, you may see a black box appear on your screen, and it's going to ask you for permission to use your microphone. You're going to click the word allow. Then your microphone will be ready to be used. Now, something that you need to do before you turn the microphone on is to think about what you want to say. You need to have your idea ready. Second, you need to make sure that you are in a quiet place because this microphone is very powerful. It will pick up all the sounds. Anybody else in the room who's talking, their words will get typed on the screen. We only want your words typed on the screen. So, quiet place, think about what you want to say first. Now, I've thought about what I want to say for question one. So now I'm going to click the microphone and I'm going to start to talk. Water becomes a solid when the temperature gets cold and the water freezes, period. It becomes ice, period. Notice that I spoke real slow and clear so that my words can be typed on the bottom clearly. I also said the word period when I wanted a period to appear in my text. And it made a period for me. Watch me do my second response. I'm going to click enter so that my second response is on a new line. And then when I'm ready to hit the microphone, I'm going to make sure I have my idea in my head before I start. I'm going to make sure the room is quiet that I'm in. Water becomes a liquid when heat is added to ice, period. Then the water melts, period. Did you notice how I clicked the microphone to turn it off when I was finished? You need to do that too. I hope you give this tool a try. Be sure to use it only when your teacher has asked you to at this point, and hope it works for you and you're successful with it.